Companies are increasingly moving from selling physical products to selling product-based services. This move is called servitization. Just think of companies selling kilometers rather than vehicles, or computing power rather than servers, or final diagnoses rather than just medical imaging. For suppliers, servitization creates numerous benefits. It fosters long-term relationships with clients and brings differentiation opportunities. It also allows companies to faster adapt to changing markets, trial new services and commercial models more easily, and gain useful insights into product performance. Yet, such a transformation requires significant changes for manufacturers, of their organization, their processes, and their systems. There are impacts for sales, service, and finance, and silos need to be broken down. This can be challenging. Capgemini's renewable enterprise vision can help companies step by step all along their transformation journey towards becoming a service-based organization able to adapt to new business models. From devising your new operating model with our consulting services to safely implementing it, thanks to our long history of implementing SAP solutions across all industries. Do you want to transform your business, strengthen customer relationships, and increase revenues? Connect with Capgemini at www.capgemini.com and we can show you how.